Yeah.
Turn me on, YC.
JT.
I don't wanna hear it, ain't talking the bag. I cover my ears, I hop in the lamb, I'm switching the gears. My bitches is ballin', make these niggas shit.
Hey guys, right now we're at Sands. I left my camera, so you know it's an iPhone vibe.
Watch it! Hey!
Watch that! Hey! Rock!
You ever get in the car seat? That's it!
This part's like the deep side, but we don't know how deep it is, so we're kind of not gonna find out. But like over there looks shallow, so this part right here is probably the deep side.
She fly on a flower van go every minute. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, okay. I want to do it and it does a live up. Keep back control.
Just now. Here's the truth. So now you can hate me.
Like I always do.
So you know we're having a little photo shoot before we get on the festivities.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to it's all a game up